Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are gonna bake a cake, not just a cake but a spongy delicious vanilla cake. For the wet ingredients we will need 4 eggs, 1 cup milk, 1/4 cup vegetable oil. For the dry ingredients we will need 1 cup sugar, 3 tablespoon baking powder, 1.5 teaspoon vanilla, and the ingredients will be in the description box down below. In a medium sized bowl, pour the eggs, the 4 whole eggs, add your sugar, after adding sugar add your vanilla, and now mix for just 1 minute. To mix you can use anything you want like an electric hand mixer, a stand mixer, or anything else you have in your home. Looking good. And now add your milk. After the milk, add the oil. And now mix. And mix it just for half a minute, that will be enough. And now for the flour, you will need 3 cups of flour. Sorry, I forgot to tell you about the flour in the dry ingredients. So yeah, we will need 3 cups of flour. Here we need to use the method pouring and mixing 1 cup flour at a time. Here I am using a half cup, that's why I poured 2 times at a time. This one will be 1 cup, and mix. The second cup, and mix it a little. And add a 3 tablespoons of baking powder. And mix it very well. And now for the third, the last cup. Let's add it and now mix it. And now scrape down the sides using a spatula and mix it for the last time. And as you can see, the cake batter is ready. It's not too liquidy and not too thick. And now we need to pour it in a tray. Here I am using a glass tray in the size of 39.2 into 23.6 centimeter. Here I have greased the tray with oil. You can use butter too. Then I have sprinkled flour all over the tray and then I removed the excess. And now let's pour the batter in the tray. Despite greasing the tray with oil then sprinkling flour, you can use a parchment paper too. And now using a spatula, let's clean the bowl. Now let's dab the tray, because dabbing will help all the air bubbles come out in the surface. And we need to bake it in the oven at 135 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes. I will go and keep my cake batter in the oven. Until that, you go and check the healthy tip. I will be back soon, very soon. Eggs are a very good source of inexpensive, high-quality protein. More than half the protein of an egg is found in the egg white, which also include vitamin B2 and lower amounts of fat than the yolk. Eggs are rich sources of selenium, vitamin D, B6, B12 and minerals such as zinc, iron and copper. Here it is after baked. It has rised and looks yummy. And now to decorate, I would like to do something a bit simple. So I'm just gonna swish some icing sugar on top just like this. Do it until it covers the whole area in the surface. And now I'm gonna insert a knife in the cake and check if it has baked well. And as you can see, the knife came out clean, which means it has baked very well. And for now, let's slice the cake. Almost done. And now let's take it out. And here it is. It's so spongy, its top, bottom, left and right is looking so good. And lastly, this is the final look of the vanilla cake that we made today. I hope you have liked and enjoyed my video. And that's all for today's video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe and ring the bell to receive notification whenever I post a new video. Because my next video is going to be croissants. If you don't want to miss it, just click subscribe and ring the bell. I'm sure you will be notified very soon. And now bye and see you in my next video.